Welcome everyone to another iteration of Trackmania. My name is Regis Jerry, and if you are a subscriber to my YouTube channel, I tip my hat to all three of you. What we have here is the second iteration of my Trackmania map. I did end up having to wipe the first one. This was due to a bug where the race script is not actually in the folder, and I was unable to find out where the race script was, so when I ended up changing the settings, it just ended up breaking the map. However, I was able to come back and then rebuild the track, add on to it as I wanted to, and it is looking glorious at the moment. I did add in one Easter egg track portion, and all you have to do is mess up at a key spot, which I'm about to show you right about now. Just get around this corner. There we go. If you were to launch off the edge right here, you can land over here on the separate track. It's a little bit sloppy, however, it's a decent landing. This is so that if you end up making a mistake at that previous checkpoint, you can still get through this. Right here, you also have three different paths that you can choose from. One takes you down to a double jump, the other one takes you down to a spot with a turn, and over there on the left is the straightaway, where you actually need to control your speed. If you don't control your speed coming out of that turn, you will end up crashing and be sent back to the checkpoint, losing that valuable time that we were talking about last time. Managed to put in that figure 8 feeling right there on the ground level again. As you can see, my ghost is much better than last time, as it is beating me at the moment. It's only 3 seconds ahead though, so I might be able to catch up to it. The set design is coming together nicely, however there are a few more portions that I want to flesh out next week, such as adding a little bit more structure, making the track actually look like it is suspended and not just floating in the air, and trying to smooth out any more of these portions that are just a little bit too bumpy. Thanks to some of my friends, I was able to play test this map extensively, getting some feedback, and that was where I found out that this portion right here may need to get reworked. That is because both of them ended up heading up to that top portion right there where the fork is, and then they just ended up taking that right turn right back on down. Right here, if you hit this jump just perfectly, as I hope I did, yep, then you can end up saving yourself a ton of time. I will show you this left side before I end up hopefully not crashing. Right here, this is where you need to use that valuable speed, so you don't do that. However, I did make it through the checkpoint, so I didn't lose too much time. It does appear though that I am not going to be able to beat my ghost, so hopefully I can get that gold. The time is set pretty well. Wanted it to be just under 5 minutes, and so far I am set to reach that goal. I do believe to get gold you have to get about 4:45. So stay tuned, and next week we will flesh out this set design and end up making a really, really good map. And just like I thought, got that gold. Anyways, thank you, and hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed what you saw.